In modern industrial production, cleanliness directly affects product quality and lifespan. The RIUGOR automatic cleaning line uses advanced spraying technology and environmentally friendly cleaning processes to quickly and thoroughly remove oil, metal debris, and fine particles remaining on mill components during machining, ensuring that each hub or wheel part is as clean as new. Core advantages: high efficiency and labor saving, automated continuous large-scale cleaning, improving production efficiency and reducing labor costs, worry-free cleanliness, multiple cleaning, rinsing, and drying processes performed in one sequence, achieving a cleanliness level far beyond manual cleaning, stable and reliable. Smooth equipment operation ensures continuous production line rhythm and consistent product quality. RIUGOR guards the factory quality of every product. Choosing RIUGOR means choosing efficiency, quality, and the future.